welcome in today's video. So today our video is about a confusion. When kids learn the letter sound, they mostly get confused between two letter sound because their letter sound is same, and these letters are letter C, K, K. The sound is K, K, and letter K, whose sound is also K, K. Now kids get confused where to use C for the K sound and where to use K for the K sound. So from today, not any confusion at all. Come to me, we'll clear your all confusion. But before we start anything, we are going to listen a beautiful story. So are you ready for the story? Yes. Okay, so this story is about two best friends, C and K. They both are best friends and they renamed themselves as K. Now everyone in their school, in their society knows them with their nickname, that is K. Now they are so happy. Everyone is calling them, look, their friendship, C and K are coming, K are coming. Yes, now one day what happened? C and K participated in the competition, and when this was a chance to announce the name of the winner, judges announces, yes, the K is the winner. Oh my God, now what? Who will go first? Letter C is the winner or letter K is the winner? They both started fighting with each other. C says, no, I'm the winner. K says, no, I'm the winner. And then their fight started. Now they are not talking with each other. And all are not happy with this. So their parents, their teacher and their friends decided one rule regarding C and K. That for the K sound, where we have to use C and where we have to use K. Let's see. So, letter C. Letter C is the first letter and then come letter K. So, the rule is for all the vowels. A, E, I, O, U and Y, because Y is also called a half vowel. So, they both decided to take 3 and 3. So, who is the friend of C? C takes A, O and U. And now it's time for the K to choose. So, K chooses what? The remaining 3. E, I and Y. Now, C says, no, I am smaller, so I will choose one more. So, what C takes? C takes all the consonants also. Now, who is C's friend? A, O, U and the consonants. And who is K's friend? E, I and Y. Now, when you hear any word in which at the beginning or in the middle, the K sound is there, so you have to notice what is the sound following the K sound. What is the sound after the K sound? As I say a word, K, A, P. So what is the sound after K? The sound is A. That's why we will use C. Let's do some more examples, right? So if I'm saying a word, K, E, D, K. So what you are going to notice? You are going to notice the sound after K. And that is I. And who is the friend of I? Letter K. That's why in K, we will use K. Okay, we will do some more example. As the word is camel. So what is the sound after K? After K, the sound is A. That's why we are going to use C there. C-A-M-E-L, camel. We will do some more example like corn. So what is the sound after? Say the words very loudly. K, on, after k. That's why we will use C here. We will go with some more example like kitten. So when I'm saying the word kitten, what is the sound after k? The sound is E. E. That's why I'm going to use K there. This is how you can differentiate between C and K. If the sound after the k is A, O, U or any of the consonant sound like crab, crab. R sound is there after k. So we are going to use C there. That's how you can learn it very easily. I have one more trick for you so that you can learn it very easily. So for the C, we are going to draw a cat face. Yes, let's draw a face of a cat. So what will we do? We will draw a face of cat. To make a cat face, we will draw 2 ears and A in the eyes, O for the nose and U for the smile. And we will write consonant here. So this is how you can learn it very easily. And to learn the K, we will draw what? A beautiful kite. So I am going to draw a beautiful kite here. And what K takes? K takes E, I and Y. Let's see what the K takes. K takes E, I and Y. Let's learn some more words from this. K, it, kit. K, it, kite. K, attle, cattle. Key, kilo, king, kid, cattle, kiwi and keep. If you will notice all these, after the k sound, there is a sound of E, I or Y because K takes E, I and Y. Okay, so after we are teaching this concept, kid usually ask this question that ma'am, why kangaroo doesn't follow this rule? Why kangaroo has A after K? Because it is not an English origin word. It is brought from different type of languages. So if this rule follows the words which are English origin word. Okay, now with a cat, cute little cat. See the words which follow that C. Cat, cup, corn, camel, cook, cop, crisp, clap, crab and cup. If you are noticing, everywhere after the k, A, O or U are there or any consonant are there. So what C takes? C takes A, O, U and a consonant. And what K takes? K takes E, I and Y. So there is no more confusion between C and K because we had learned a lots of rule for this. I hope this concept is clear to you. We will meet with the ending k sound in our next video. Till then, draw this cat face and learn it. And you can also make some props like this and send me the picture of this. Okay, bye. We will meet in next video. Catty and Kite is saying bye-bye to you.